Today we are going to talk about the trend lines, support and resistance trend lines. In the previous video, we talked about the support and resistance uh, simple line, the straight one. Uh, if you didn't check that out, please go and watch that video because that's the very most profitable strategy which uses support and resistance line. But in this video, we are going to talk about the trend lines. So, guys, trend is always a friend. Trend helps us to get new opportunities in the market to open buy or sell order. And I'm going to show you right now how to use the trend lines, the support trend line and the resistance trend line. So, uh, let's look at this chart. This is Euro USD 1 hour chart. And this strategy, you can use it in all the time frame. It doesn't matter which time frame are you in. The thing is that you just have to do the steps one by one so you can come out of the buy order or sell order with the good profit. So with this strategy, minimum you can make 20 pips easily. So let me show you how to uh, draw a trend line and how does it work. So we come here, trend line. So we have to look at the chart and see the support points and resistance points in the market. The lowest point of trends. Like for example, if you look at here, this is the lowest point, or this one, this is the lowest for. Or look at this. There are many opportunities in the market to make money easily. So let's say this is the lowest and this is the lowest and this is the lowest. So what you have to do to draw a trend line is to connect all the lowest points, all the support points. So when you connect, what happens? Let me show you guys. For example, let me zoom for you guys. From here, we're going to connect to these, and until the end. So let me zoom now. Let's see what happened to the market. Guys, this is our support trend line. See, this is not straight. If this line was straight, it was the straight support line, but this is not straight. So we call this a trend line, support trend line. So let's see what happened. Look at this the red candle. It hits this point and it comes up. So that's going to tell us that there is something in this level. There is something in this level that it can be a support in this level. So it hits and it comes up. It comes up and the market goes up. So we wait for the market to come down and hits our support trend line again. So look at this. Look at here what happened again. It hits our support line and it came up. So what we're gonna do? When are we going to open a buy order or sell order? We have to wait for the market to break out from the support trend line. So when we draw this, we just look at the market, how is it going, and we wait for the breakout. Look what happened. We have to just wait for the breakout. Look, this is our first attempt. This is our second attempt, and this is our third attempt. So let's wait for the fourth attempt. See, guys, look, the fourth attempt is a breakout. The market broke the support line. What does this mean? It means that our support trend line is now becoming our new resistant trend line. So this gives us the best opportunity to open sell position, because as I said in the previous video, guys, if you didn't check out the previous video, please go check out the previous video because you won't understand it if you didn't watch that video. And please guys, subscribe to my channel so you guys can help me, I motivate me, and I upload more videos with more strategies, with indicators, without indicators, or anything you guys like. So anyway, let's go back to the video. Our old support trend line is becoming our new resistant line. So what do we need now? We need the market to hit our resistant line so we can open a sell order. So let's wait for the market to see what happens to the market. It's going down. It started coming up, but it didn't hit our resistant line yet. So we have to wait. We have to wait. Okay guys, look at here. Let me just zoom for you guys. Okay, you see here, this candle already hit our resistant line. So at this point, we know that we are sure that we have to open a sell order because the market is gonna go down. Now, if we open a sell order here, and guys, actually this is our first attempt, and we have to open a sell order in our first attempt because that's the safest. In the previous video I said we have to do for the second. That's for the straight support or resistant line. That's not trend line. But for trend line, we have to do the first attempt. You have to open a sell or buy order at the first attempt. So this is our first attempt. It already, the candle hit our resistant line. So let's see what happened now. We open a sell order here and see what happens. Guys, look. Next hour, next candle. We didn't even wait for so long. Exactly the next candle. Look. If we open a sell order here at 1.10402, our take profit should be exactly the nearest support or resistance, same as the other strategy that I told you about, the support and resistance line. So for the trend line, it's the same thing. So where is our nearest support or resistance line? Guys, look at these candles here. This is the nearest, right? The candles, the market came up until here, and then it came down. And then it came up again. So guys, when we are looking for resistant line, we are opening a sell order. When we are looking at the support line, we are looking at the buy order. We want to open a buy order. So if we are opening a sell order when the candle hits the resistance line, we have to look for the nearest resistance line. So our take profit will be the nearest resistance line, which will be here. Let me highlight it for you guys. Look at this candle, guys. It came up and then the next candle it came down. So this is our resistance line. So we open a sell order here and our take profit will be here. Now guys, look. You see, it already hit our take profit, and also it went down. It went like till this rate, 1.09646. So this is, I think this is about like 40 or 50 pips easily, guys. 40 or 50 pips easily. I'm telling you guys, this strategy works every single time. It works every single time because most of the traders in the market, they use trend lines because they have to. Because the thing about this market is that sometimes, most of the times, the major pairs are in a trend. Look at this, guys. It's going down. This is a trend, guys. Look at this. Look at this candles. It's going down. This is the trend. So we after this we don't care about the second attempt. If you want to be safe, when it hits the resistance line, you just open a sell order and you take your profit and you leave. So guys, look, we don't have any second attempt. This is a breakout. There is no second attempt. That's why I told you guys that the first attempt is always the safest attempt and the safest time to open a sell order or a buy order. So this was an example that I wanted to share with you guys, but let's check another. I wanna give you guys another example, so you guys be sure about this strategy. Okay, let's see what happened. Let me check. Okay, guys, look at this point. This is the lowest point. We are going to connect this point to any lowest point. It doesn't matter if it's this one, if it's this one, or this one. It doesn't matter. You just have to connect the lowest to the lowest to create or draw a trend line. So we're going to connect this to this one here. So this is the same one, but they're kind of close, but it has two different points and rates and two different opportunities that can help you guys to make profit back to back. So guys, when you're drawing the trend line, you should be so careful because look what I did right now. This is wrong. You have to put the trend exactly after where the candle ends. You guys, you see, and forget about the tails. You just have to exactly where it finished. So this is the same one. It just went up, and we're waiting for the market to break our support trend line. So this was our first attempt. This is our second attempt. Third attempt, and boom. This is our breakout. So again, the fourth attempt was the breakout. Same as here that our fourth attempt was the breakout. Same here. So this is the best opportunity for us now. We have to wait for the market to hit our trend line, the resistant trend line, our new resistant trend line. So look at the market, how it's going up. Guys, look, exactly same thing happened again and again and again. Guys, I'm telling you, trust me, this strategy is guaranteed. It's gonna work every single time. So guys, look what happened here. The market broke our support trend line. So now we have a new resistant line. We wait for the market to hit our resistant line. Look at this. Look at this candle here, the green one. Let me zoom for you. Look exactly on the trend line. Guys, it went up till here, if you can see the tail, but it came down and it ended exactly on the trend line that we draw. Now what does this mean? This means that we have to open a sell order for sure. This is guaranteed for sure. We have to open a sell order. But guys, if the candle closed above our trend line, that means that this is risky. But it's not gonna happen because this is our first attempt. So the first attempt is always it's gonna close below or on our trend line, which is a confirmation that you have to open this sell order. Now look what happened. If we open a sell order here, where should be our take profit? The nearest resistance, which is here, guys. Look, this is the candles are coming up, the market is coming up, and it came down here a little bit. So here we have a small resistance. So we're not gonna risk it, and we're gonna put it exactly here. So our take profit will be here. This is our take profit. Now let's see what happened to the market after this. Boom! It hit our take profit again. And this is again like 40 pips if I'm not wrong. So we had like 40 pips for this trend line, and this is another 40 pips. Guys, trust me, this is miracle, guys. This is a miracle. Look at the market. Guys, we have here in this trend line we have second attempt, but we are not going to use this. Don't go for the second attempt, never. If you want to be safe, if you want to take your profit and leave, always go for the first attempt. Now let's see what happened to the market again. Let's see if we have the third attempt or not. Yes, we also have third attempt. And if I okay, let me just be clear for this. Okay, guys, you see, so this is our first, second. You can say this is our third because it did not touch our resistant line. So the third attempt is the breakout. So what does it mean, guys? So our resistant line is now our new support line. So breakout is always a good news for us traders in this strategy, because as soon as we see the breakout, we have to wait for the candles to touch our support line. Now this is our support line, and from here this is our resistant line. So our resistant line became the new support line. So guys, it hit this candle, the red candle, it hit our new support line, which was our old resistant line, and it came up. So this is we have to open a sell. We have to open a buy order here. Why? Because this is our support line. In support line, we open a buy order. So we open a buy order here, and look at the market how nicely it went up. Okay, guys. So this was our this was the second example that I wanted to share with you. So I explained to you two support trend line, and one resistant trend line. So guys, let's change our pair. This was Euro USD for 1 hour. I'm going to use now USD JPY 1 hour again. And guys, let's see if I can show you another example here. Okay, guys, look, we have the lowest point here again. There's one here. There's one here. So I'm going to connect these together. Support connected to support. First, I'm just going to use it. I'm just going to draw it like this, and then I have to come here to correct it because this is wrong. It should be exactly where the candle closes. Okay, guys. Guys, look at the market, what happened here. Let me explain it to you guys. So here, we got to know that we have a support trend line. This is our first, and this is our second attempt, and this is our third attempt. Guys, you see, guys, there is a problem here. Look at this trend line. It's not where the candle closed. It's a little bit down. That's why you have to be so careful when you're drawing the trend line. Okay, guys. So second attempt, third attempt, and we have a breakout. This is our breakout, guys. So, guys, I told you guys, you have to always open the order when it's on the trend line. So look guys, here this candle, the green candle, it's above the trend line. So this is a no for us. This is not the confirmation. We don't have any confirmation yet. Look at the next candle, came down. So this is a fake breakout. We call this a fake breakout. So let's see what happened again. Look at this candle. You see it again, it's above our trend line. This is not a confirmation. This is not an attempt. This is not the first attempt. This is a fake breakout. Guys, look what happened again. The candle, the market came down, and now we have to wait for the first attempt. Look at this, guys. Look at this candle. It came up till here, but it did not reach our trend line. But the next candle, look at this tail. It came up and it touched our trend line and it came down. You see guys? It touched our, I'm zooming so you guys can easily see it. It touched our, with the tail, if you can see the tail, it touched our trend line and it came down until this rate. So this is our resistant trend line. It was support and now we have a breakout. So this is our new resistant line. So what I told you guys, when it's a resistant line, we have to wait for the market to touch it and we open our sell order. Resistant line for selling, support line for buying, guys. So let's see. It hit our resistant line. So we open a sell order here, but where should be our take profit? Guys, if you look carefully, you see that here this is a support, but I said the nearest resistant line. So guys, the market came up to here, it came down, and the green candle closed on this rate. So we have a small resistance here, guys. You see? Let me just show you guys. You see here this candle. Yeah. So this is our small resistance line. So when the market hits the resistant trend line, we open a sell order here. And we know that our take profit should be the nearest resistant, which is here. So this will give us around 20 pips. And in less than 1 hour, because it's only one candle and it's already came down, hit our take profit, and it came again down. So let me change the time frame for you guys. Let's go to 4 hour. Let's go to 4 hour and see if we can find another. Okay guys, look at this, the lowest point. I found the lowest point here, and I found another lowest point here. So I'm just going to connect this and this and see what happens. Sorry. Okay. See guys, when I'm drawing my trend line, my support trend line, I'm not drawing from here. I ignore the tail. I just go for where the candle closes. So I'm gonna okay. So guys, this is our, actually we have this too, but anyway, I'm gonna use this. It doesn't matter which one you use, it's just, it should be from support to support, that's it. And here it should be touched, yes. Okay, so this is our first attempt. Again, it hit our support trend line. Second attempt, and we have a breakout. So let me continue and see what happened here. Okay, so guys, we have the third attempt, we have a breakout again. We have a breakout, and look guys what happened. When we have a breakout, we wait for the market again. Look at this candle guys. It hit our resistance line, which is the best opportunity because it's the first attempt. So it's the best opportunity to open a sell order and take our profit and leave. So we have the first attempt here, and this is our second attempt, and the market is going to break out for sure. So when it breaks out, look what happened guys again. Our new resistance line is already here. So the first, after the breakout, the first candle, it already hit our, I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry. So our new support line, this is our support line, I'm sorry guys. So this was our resistance line until the breakout. So after the breakout, this will be our support line. So exactly the candle after the breakout, the red candle, it already hit our support line. So it's going up again. So whenever it hits our support or resistance line, it's going up again. So this was our first attempt. And I said we will always go for the first attempt. So look, we don't have the second attempt, guys. We do not have the second attempt. This is a breakout. And again, our support line, it became the new resistance line. And look, exactly after the breakout, the candle, the green candle, it hit, and again it came back. Guys, trust me, this strategy works for every time frame, for every major pairs that you want to use. It's amazing. It's profitable so much. You can make 20 or 20 plus pips in single trade. It's this trend line, it's better than the straight support and resistance lines, guys, because trend is our friend. I always say, guys, trend is our friend, and it's always profitable. It's not possible to make a loss with this strategy that I'm telling you guys. But please guys, please, before you use it in your real account, just practice it several times in your demo account. You practice and you sure that you know exactly what you should do with the strategy. You learn the strategy and then you go and do it in your real account. So before, like, until you're sure, like, if you're not sure about the strategy, do not use it in your real account. Do not gamble with your money, guys. If you know the strategy and if you're sure about it, go for it. If you're not sure, if you have any question, comment below, and I'm always here. I'm always checking the comments and everything so I can answer all your questions. Guys, thank you for checking out this video. I hope that you guys liked it and learned a new strategy. Guys, please subscribe to my channel so I can upload more videos with different strategies, with indicators or without indicators, anything that you guys like. And thank you so much.